It's a beautiful fall Saturday, y'all. When I was sweeping the porch, I noticed these massive spider webs that go all the way up through there. We have a ladder that I would be able to reach, but I also may panic up there because I don't really love heights. So we'll wait for somebody else to do that part. Me and heights, we're not friends. I don't know if the camera's picking them up, but that one right there is huge. And then there's some that are going from the tree to the house. I see one right there too. I can get that one. What was this? Looks like something that a planter sits in. Huh? Oh, really? Yeah. Did I? Well, we need to put a little mum right here at the barn, don't we, Manny?
Yeah. Try and guess what that noise is.
Manly wants y'all to see his motorcycle or car sound on his bicycle. Show it. There you go. I'm picking up all these limbs because we're going to be cutting the grass later. That way these are already out of the way.
You ever had a bike before?
Yep, I had a bike before. Where'd this rock come from? This is a nice rock.
Oh, Sissy found it.
Oh, is that your dinosaur tooth? Alright, I made myself come inside because I gotta cook. I'm gonna make a Southwestern beef lasagna. This only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think like 6 ingredients. I gotta find my recipe book. Oh, I left it over here. Let's see, how many ingredients did it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's right. Okay, so I've got the oven preheating to 350. We're gonna cook up the ground beef. I'm gonna use close to 2 pounds of ground beef. You can use chicken if you want to instead of ground beef and make it a Southwestern chicken lasagna. And of course you can add lots of other stuff if you want to, whatever you want to add to it. We're just using ground beef, flour tortillas, green salsa, black beans, and fiesta blend cheese. That's it. Manly's driving something. Oh, one of Jonah's little remote control cars. Is that what you gave him for his birthday?
Yeah.
It's one of these that can flip over and it can be, you know, it's white on this side or blue on this side. It came flipping down the stairs. After we make the Southwestern lasagna, while it's cooking, we're gonna put together a pumpkin cobbler. I made this, I can't remember if it was this exact recipe, but I made a pumpkin cobbler a couple of years ago. It's great. So we'll put that together after we get this in the oven. Doesn't take long. It's gonna take it about 35 minutes to bake, but if you use chicken or if you already have your beef pre-cooked, that makes it even quicker. If you use like a rotisserie chicken or something. It's so nice out there today. This is like, you wanna go around to produce stands, farmers markets, Walker, you wanna do anything outside today. That's what kind of day it is. I can't wait for Apple Day. That's what I'm really excited about. I'm hoping to do it sometime in the next week or two. It's where we go around to all the apple farms around North Georgia. My favorite thing of Apple Day is probably the apple cider slushies. I can't remember the name of which little apple place that is, but they have wonderful apple cider slushies. While the ground beef is cooking, we're gonna mix the green salsa with some sour cream. I think I need, yeah, I'm gonna need both of these 8-ounce containers of sour cream, or if you have a 16-ounce container. And this is 16 ounces of the green salsa.
Mom, I'm really playing this little bitty guitar super good. Listen.
Okay. That is good, yeah. Now we'll pour in the salsa. Okay, there's the sour cream and salsa mixture. Now I'm gonna drain and rinse this can of black beans. We're gonna put down 3 of the tortilla shells, and we'll bring our black beans over here with the ground beef. When this gets done, we're gonna drain it and we'll add the black beans in. And I am gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna put half of the ground beef and black beans. And then half of the salsa and sour cream. Some of the Fiesta blend cheese. And now we repeat. This almost looks like tartar sauce. Okay, a little more cheese. Now we put 3 more tortilla shells, and on the top we're just going to put the rest of the Fiesta blend cheese. And that's it. Super easy. Going in the oven for 35 minutes. All right, we'll clean up this stuff and then we'll make the pumpkin cobbler. For the pumpkin cobbler, we're going to start with 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and half a cup of sugar. Whisk that all together. Now we need half a cup of pumpkin. This is just 100% pumpkin, so we'll just eyeball half a cup there. We need 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of melted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, when we get this mixed really good, we're going to put it into the bottom of our casserole dish. I've already got it sprayed. We'll slide this over here. For the topping, we need 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Mix those two together, and we're going to put in a few chopped pecans. Okay, now we just sprinkle this over the top. Now this is one of those cobblers that you pour hot water over and it looks like you've totally ruined it, but you haven't. Don't worry. The first time I made one of these, it was a chocolate cobbler, and I was like, oh my goodness. What have I done? But it turns out great. We need 1.5 cups of hot water. And what happens is the topping that we put on will sink to the bottom, and there'll be like a wonderful pumpkin-y syrup at the bottom within the breading, and it's great. See, like I said, it looks like you've completely ruined it, but don't worry. It's all good. It goes in the oven for 40 minutes.
Here to taste your food tonight, everybody.
You know, it takes a little while for lasagna to cool before you can get a pretty looking piece, but
It ain't gotta be pretty.
it don't gotta be pretty to taste good.
It's all what it tastes like. That's really tasty right there now.
The green
Got a Mexican taste to
salsa
it.
with the sour cream mixture, that's really good, isn't it?
Great.
I already tasted it. It's
Really
good.
fantastic.
cobbler is done. I made some whipped cream for the top. I mean, y'all saw that good pumpkin-y syrup coming out of there. And then when it gets on the cake part, and it's wonderful. That's amazing, y'all. If you need a fall dessert for this weekend or next weekend or any time during the week, this is your answer right here. Make sure you have whipped cream or ice cream to go with it because it takes it to the next level of wonderfulness.